Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a documentary video that you can create entirely using your smartphone and free AI tools. The best part is that these tools have no generation limits, allowing you to create as many videos as you want without spending any money. You can make several videos daily, and it's completely possible. First, watch the documentary, and then I will show you exactly how I created it.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill. Billions of eyes focus on a single ball. The story began in 1930. In Uruguay, 13 nations gathered for an experiment. As the decades passed, the World Cup became more than a football competition. It became a symbol of national pride. The World Cup is not only about glory, it is also about heartbreak. One trophy, one world, a story that continues to inspire generation after generation.
So guys, now you've watched the documentary video, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please let me know in the comments how you liked it. I created this video purely for educational purposes using free AI tools. You clicked on this video means you're interested in learning how to create videos using AI. As you may already know, documentary-style videos like these can attract millions of views and likes across different platforms. The good news is that creating this type of content is very easy. So let's begin the tutorial and learn how to create a video like this. To make the process simple and easy to follow, we'll divide this tutorial into 4 parts. In part 1, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script. In part 2, we'll create a professional voiceover for the video using free AI tools. In part 3, we'll generate video clips and visuals using free AI video creation tools. And finally, in part 4, we'll bring everything together and edit the complete video using CapCut. So without wasting any time, let's move on to part 1 and start creating our script.
Open ChatGPT and write a prompt asking it to generate a script for your documentary. For this video, I am creating a documentary on the history of the FIFA World Cup. You can choose any topic of your choice and ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. The prompt is very simple, and it is, I want to create a 2-minute documentary on the history of FIFA World Cup. I need a script with strong hooks that keep the audience engaged until end of the video. The script should be suspenseful, and each scene should contain a compelling hook. There should also be few powerful lines at the end of the document. Most importantly, ask ChatGPT to act as a professional content writer and generate a high-quality script for your topic. Once you will press enter, it will generate a script tailored for your topic and documentary style in a fraction of a second. The script is properly divided scene by scene, making it easy to understand and follow. It has also provided the timing of each scene, which is very useful when creating a document, and you can exactly know the length of complete document. You can also ask ChatGPT to further improve the script or make changes as per your requirements. But I will not go into the details of writing scripts right now. Instead, I will directly move to the next step and ask ChatGPT to create a voiceover for the script. Now you may ask that why are we creating the voiceover? The voiceover will be used to generate the audio for the documentary, whereas the script will be used to create videos for the documentary using AI tools. Therefore, we will ask ChatGPT to convert the documentary script into a voiceover format. The voiceover should be written in paragraph form with necessary filler words so that it can be used directly for generation of voiceover. Once you will press enter, ChatGPT will convert the script into a voiceover. Now, in the next step, we will simply copy the generated voiceover script and paste it into another application to generate the audio for our documentary. For this, open a new web browser and search for AA tool named OpenA.fm. Open the first result and you will be taken directly to the website. It is a completely free platform and you can generate as many audios as you want. Just a quick orientation with the platform. On the right side, we have the script section where we'll paste your voiceover script, and on the left side, we have different options to choose from for differentiating the audio according to our preferences. This platform has only one limitation, that it can generate an audio up to 1,000 words at a time. So if your script contains more than 1,000 words, you will need to divide your script into 2 or 3 separate audio files. My script is less than 2,000 words, so I have to generate 2 audio files for my documentary. After pasting the script in script section, select the voiceover type from the available options. In my experience, the best option in voice section is Ash, and in voice section, 2 Crime Buff is very good. I have tested these many times, and it has constantly produced excellent results. These options generate a realistic and professional sounding voice, which works very well for documentary videos. However, You can test and choose any other option according to your own preference. After selecting these options, click the play button, and the platform will start generating the voiceover for your script. It usually takes up to a minute to generate an audio. Once the audio is generated, it will automatically start playing and you can listen to it.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill. Billions of eyes focus on a single ball. One kick can create a legend. One mistake can break a nation's heart.
Once you are satisfied with your audio, to download it, press the download button on the left side and the audio will be downloaded immediately. You can create and download the audio for the remaining parts of your script. However, as you may have noticed, that there are some large pauses in the audio which need to be removed to produce a good quality audio. To do so, we will use another application that can be easily downloaded on any Android or iOS device. I will show you this on my tablet. To download this app, open the Play Store and search for the app named GoldWave Audio Editor. Download and install this application. It is very easy to use and can perform multiple tasks with just a single click. However, in today's video, we will focus only on silence reduction, which will automatically remove unnecessary silent gaps from our audio. Once downloaded, open the app, go to the Import option, and import your audio file. You can see large and unnecessary gaps in the audio.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill.
To remove these gaps, go to the Effects option, and in Effects menu, search and select Silence Reduction option. In this option, you can see multiple other options to adjust the audio, such as threshold and duration. Select the same setting that I am using. I have arrived at these settings after a lot of testing and experimentation. These settings will not affect your audio content, and these will only remove unnecessary silent gaps, so select the value exactly as shown on the screen, and it is better to note them for future use. Once done, press the Apply button, and all the unnecessary gaps will be removed in a split of a second.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill. Billions of eyes focus on a single ball.
Your audio is now ready. However, you cannot directly export this file without saving it first. So go to the menu on left top corner and open Files option, and then select Save to save the file. After saving it, you will be able to export it to your device. Once exported, the file will be saved in your device and can be used for generation of your documentary. Now that we have created the audio for our script, it's time to create the video. For this, we will ask ChatGPT to write the prompts for creating videos using AI. We can do this in 2 ways. Either we can ask ChatGPT to write prompts for generation of videos by giving each line of our script separately, one by one, and ChatGPT will create the prompts for you. However, this takes a lot of time and effort. The second way is to ask ChatGPT to write all the prompts required for creating videos for complete documentary with just a single command. For this, I have created a prompt and pasted it into my ChatGPT. With just a single click, it will generate prompts for creation of videos for my entire documentary. I will give you this prompt in the description of my video so that you can copy and use it to create videos for your own documentary. In this prompt, I have asked 3 things from ChatGPT. Number 1, create detailed prompts for generating visuals for the entire documentary. Second, generate a separate prompt for each scene while maintaining the visual sequence. And third, ensure that all prompts follow the same visual style so that the documentary remains consistent throughout the video from beginning to end. I have also asked ChatGPT to write each prompt as a single continuous paragraph. This allows us to directly use the prompts in AI tools for generating images and videos. Once you press the Enter button, ChatGPT will automatically analyze the script and determine how many scenes are required to be created for your documentary. And it will generate a separate prompt for each scene. As you can see, it has created prompts for all the scenes required for my complete documentary. Now, we will create videos using these prompts one by one with the help of an AI tool, which is also completely free. So, open a new browser tab and search for Meta AI. Open the first result that appears on the screen. But if you directly create and download the video from Meta AI, it will show the watermark on downloaded videos. Therefore, to download the videos without a watermark, we will also need to install its Chrome extension. To download the extension, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Meta Automation. Select Meta Automation and add it to Chrome. Once added, we will use this extension to generate videos for our complete documentary. Now let me give you a quick orientation to the extension. You can create videos from text and as well as from frames. However, the most important option is the Setting menu. Here we have two important things. We can set the aspect ratio of our video. The second important thing is to enable Auto Download option. This will automatically download your videos without our trademark. And this is the main reason that we have installed this extension, because manual download results in videos with a watermark. Once everything is ready, simply paste your prompt into the prompt box, scroll down, and click the Run button. The video generation will start immediately, and it may take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video clip. Inside the application, you can preview the generated videos. However, do not download them manually, because they will contain a watermark. Let me show you this practically. As you can see, the manually downloaded videos contains a watermark, which appears at the top, in the beginning, and later on moves to the bottom of the screen. Another advantage of this extension is that we can generate multiple videos simultaneously, for which we will simply copy and paste our prompts one by one into the prompt box and click the Run button. While one video is being generated, the next prompt will be placed in the queue. The queued video will be processed automatically, one after another. To save time, I have already generated and downloaded all the videos. I have also renamed them in the correct sequence according to my script. Now let's move to the final step, which is editing and formatting the video. I am using CapCut for video editing, but you can use any video editor which is available to you. Remember, for documentary video editing, the first step is to import the audio files. After importing the audio, import the video clips one by one in the timeline, as you will need to adjust the duration of each clip to match the corresponding audio. Before editing, select the aspect ratio according to your requirement. Since I am creating a YouTube video, therefore I have selected 16:9 aspect ratio.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill.
As you can see, her first clip is longer than generation, so I have trimmed the extra portion, and then added the next clip. In the same way, we will continue adding all the clips to the timeline, according to the audio, and create the final video. Now let me show you the final edited version of my documentary.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill. Billions of eyes focus on a single ball. One kick can create a legend. One mistake can break a nation's heart. But how did the greatest sporting event on earth begin? The story began in 1930.
In the same way, you can edit your complete documentary using any video editor of your choice. And once the editing is complete, simply export your final video.
And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed learning how to create a documentary video using free AI tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and content creation tips. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you'd like to watch the complete documentary featured in this tutorial, it's attached on the end. Simply enjoy it in full screen view. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Every 4 years, the world comes to a standstill. Billions of eyes focus on a single ball. One kick can create a legend. One mistake can break a nation's heart. But how did the greatest sporting event on earth begin? The story began in 1930. In Uruguay, 13 nations gathered for an experiment that few could have imagined would change sports forever. There were no global broadcasts, no modern stadiums, only a dream that would grow into the world's biggest tournament. As the decades passed, the World Cup became more than a football competition. It became a symbol of national pride, a stage where countries carried the hopes of millions. Fans crossed oceans, cities transformed, and for 1 month every 4 years, the world united through a single game. This is where legends are born, where unknown players become household names, where moments lasting only seconds live forever in history. A goal, a save, a celebration. Each tournament writes a new chapter, yet no one knows how the story ends until the final whistle. But the World Cup is not only about glory, it is also about heartbreak. Favorites fall, underdogs rise, dreams are realized, and dreams are shattered. In just 90 minutes, years of preparation can disappear, and that uncertainty is what makes the tournament unforgettable. From its humble beginnings in 1930 to a spectacle watched by billions across the globe, the FIFA World Cup has become more than a tournament. It is a celebration of hope, passion, and human possibility. One trophy, one world, a story that continues to inspire generation after generation.